Hello everyone, this is Gary Marr, and this screencast is from my Google Drive online class. And what I wanted to do in this screencast is just show you a little bit of some of the features and functions of our Start Off Google product, which is called Gmail, Google Mail. We're not going to do too much with the Google Mail. I'll leave it up to you to experiment as much as you want. But I will be going to this many times at videos and as I write my documentation for this class, because it's a great way to get access to Google Drive and its many features. So what I will do first of all is click on this little checkerboard up here called Google Apps. Now what you're going to find here is there's probably a lot more apps than you ever expected to see. And one of the things that Google has done over time is added this suite of products. So the basic, more popular ones show at the top here, but there's also a link here called More, which when you click on there, you're going to find there's a whole bunch of different applications they've developed to make your life a little simpler. You guys might have used Maps. You've certainly probably looked at YouTube. You've probably used Play when you're loading stuff on an Android phone, News for just news information. I use the calendar extensively, but where we're going to spend most of our time is on this link here called Drive. Now, when you get your Google account, you're given 15 gigabytes of storage. This storage is just like any other storage you would have on your computer. It's going to have folders and subfolders that you can create as you place and create documents in your Google account. Now, what you're going to see here is some stuff that I've done for both this class and the classes that I teach. But what I want to do here, first of all, is give you the very first lesson on Google Drive in regards to creating files and folders. So I'm going to click on the new icon here, and I'm going to see I've got a folder, I've got a file upload, I've got a folder upload. So not only can I create files and folders from scratch in Google, I can also pull them up from my PC. This can be a real advantage. If you've got some files that you're working on at work, at home, God knows where, on the road, if they're in Google Drive, you can also always access them if you have an internet link and modify them. Now, the three big application files we're going to work on in this class are Docs, Sheets, and Google Slides. And to open one of these up, it's simply a matter of clicking on the arrow, and then I would say let's start with blank document. We're not going to get through all of the various features that are available with these products. There's a new, we could spend days, months, and hours on this stuff. I'm going to give you the basics. Some of the information that we talk about in one of these features or one of these products, like Docs, could end up being something we could also use in terms of using Sheets, or also even Sheets, Slides. So a lot of it will be repeated, but hopefully what you'll do is, as you see some of the menus and screens, you can then experiment. Go out, look in YouTube, just Google them, find what printed or web page resources are on these features, and take it from there. If you've used Microsoft Word or any one of the popular products available for word processing, you're going to recognize many of these menu pull downs and icons as stuff that you probably used with this other product. So anyways, that is our starting point in terms of taking our Google Mail account and launching into Google Drive, and where we're going to see our folders and files created, moved, uploaded, and also downloaded. You can also download files, and that actually is a couple assessment problems that you will have as we go, where I'm going to ask you to prove your knowledge of this subject by doing a little exercise. And there's some steps in there where I'm asking you to download documents to your PC. Well, that's it for now, and as always, if you have any questions, let me know through email. Thank you.